Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Well, in today's video, I'm creating this festive makeup look. Now, this is a very quick gold eye makeup look, which I think just goes with every Indian outfit. Like, in case I'm confused about my eye makeup, this is what I do. So I thought, why not teach you guys also just three steps eye makeup is what I have done in this video. So I've added new things in my makeup vanity. Now all these products I bought from Amazon. The link is in the description box below. Apart from the makeup products that I'm going to show you in this video, there are a few more other things that I recently got and I absolutely love it. Again, the link is in the description box below. This huge sale that's going on Amazon, so this is the right time to buy all the products that you want to buy. So this is a cleansing balm that I got from Amazon. Now this is from brand Plum. Now this is a dupe for Clinique. Cleansing balm is 5 times the price of this cleansing balm, and I absolutely love this one because it helps you in getting rid of all the stubborn makeup that you have, especially the mascara. It's so difficult to get rid of the mascara. This product will definitely help you. It's cruelty free, it's free from paraben, and it's 100% vegan. I also got these two beauty sponge. Now these are from Plume. These are microfiber beauty sponge. Every influencer, every makeup artist was talking about this and I had to get my hands on these beauty sponge. Guys, you should always replace your beauty sponge every 6 months. So if you haven't bought a new beauty sponge, it's time to throw the old one and get a new beauty sponge right now. I also got this Aza roller. This is something which I'll show you in the video how I prep my skin using this roller. So let's get started and learn this makeup look. And before we start, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet, guys. So starting this video with a good skin prep. Now this skin prep is very different from what I usually do in other videos. I'm going to show you guys a new product which I recently bought from Amazon. So first I'm just putting some oil on my face. Now this is a dry oil serum from a brand named Perenne. I love using their products. I sometimes mix this oil with my foundation also to get the dewy effect. So just applying a little bit of oil. Now I'm taking this face roller and I'm just going to massage my face with it. Now this thing really helps in, depuffing your face. It helps in, reducing the wrinkles, in tightening the skin. It really relaxes the skin and helps in increasing the blood circulation. I always keep this in the refrigerator for some time so that it becomes nice and cool, and then I use it on my face. Absolutely love it. You can just use this smaller portion closer to the eyes. So I highly suggest, if you don't have something like this, then please go and get it. I have put the link in the description box below. This is from Aza. Okay, now since the skin prep is done, let's jump onto the makeup part now. Prepping my eyes because I'm going to start with my eye makeup first. So just applying some concealer on my eyelid before I start the eye makeup. Whenever you apply concealer, always seal it with some loose powder. Now for my eye makeup today, I'm using this Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a beautiful palette. All the shades are very pigmented. I've already done an eye makeup look using this eyeshadow palette. You can check it out again. It was an Indian, I was wearing an Indian wear. I was wearing a white suit in that video. You can check it out on my channel. Now look at all these beautiful shades. I mean, it has just almost all the colors that you need for the festive season. I'm taking this brown shade first. It's called Incense, and just going on the crease and a little bit on the outer corner. Back and forth is the motion that I usually do to blend the crease. You can also do these light rotating motions. I'm taking a slightly darker shade here. This is also a shade of brown, and I'm applying this in the outer corners. Anastasia products are now easily available in India. So if you don't have their palettes, I would highly recommend just go and get one if you're looking for nice pigmented eyeshadows. Alright, now I'll go ahead and apply this gold shade. Okay, one thing, it's very creamy. When I dip the brush, there's so much of product that had come out, so I'm just using my finger to apply this. Whenever you're applying a shimmer shade, if you're using a flat brush like this, you can always spray a makeup fixer on this and then apply the eyeshadow. The intensity will be more. I applied it using the finger. I think that works really well. Now I'm taking this black kajal pencil, applying it very close to my lash line. I'm taking a pencil brush now to smudge this kajal pencil. The moment you apply, just start smudging it. Don't wait for too long, because if it gets dry, you won't be able to smudge the pencil properly. Like right now, it's very creamy and it's blending very well. Now I'm taking this blending brush again and taking this dark brown shade here. This is called Passion. And I am applying this in the outer corner and blending it along with this liner that I have smudged. Now on top of this, if you want to apply some glitter, some gold particles, go ahead, do it. You can apply some gold pigments, some glitters. Well, I have this gold glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay. I like to take this and just apply it a little bit on the eyelid right at the center. It just makes the center of the eyelid shine a little bit. Here's this liquid eyeshadow which I absolutely love. Now this is from Swiss Beauty. I have used this product in my videos a lot of times. Again, easily available on Amazon. So I recommend this product also in case if you don't have it. Also guys, a little life update. I got a tattoo done. I've posted about this on my Instagram stories. I'm gonna put a picture here also. So this is my first tattoo. It has a beautiful meaning, something I could really connect to. It talks about a lot of positivity. So yes, this is my first tattoo and I was so excited when I went for it, and I went alone. That was a scary part because I thought it's gonna hurt too much. It did hurt, but I mean the guy was so nice. He made me feel very comfortable while doing the tattoo. He was talking to me, trying to distract me and all. So overall a good experience. Alright guys, I'm gonna put some lashes and come back. So I've put the lashes. Now let's go on to highlighting the inner corner now. I'm taking this light shade here and applying it in the inner corner. Now look at the difference this small little step makes, you know. Let's go into the base makeup now. I have my favorite concealer with me. This is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I wanted this concealer since such a long time, but it was always out of stock. Finally got my hands on this and applying this under the eye. It is absolutely creamy, so be a little careful. The shade that I've got for myself is 314 Beige. I think this is a perfect shade for me to hide those dark circles and whatever spots I have. Now for the foundation also, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible range. Again, an amazing product. My foundation is almost over, so I just opened the bottle completely. And whatever is left, I'm using this. Why waste the product that's already there? There is still too much product. It's just that it's not coming out from the pump. So I opened the bottle, which is okay. I don't like wasting makeup. Food and makeup, two things. I hate wasting it. I don't like people who waste food. I hate it. I hate it. Just there's so many people out there in the world who die because of hunger. We are privileged that we get good food to eat, healthy food to eat. So why waste it, right? I'm actually loving how my under eye is looking right now. So usually, you know, I apply a lighter shade of concealer also, but I'm just going to leave it this time like this. Now taking this compact powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Again, one of my favorite product. The shade that I'm using is medium 2. And I'm applying this under the eye to seal the concealer. And now taking this big brush and applying it all over my face. Let's go on to the contouring part. You guys must be bored of seeing this product, but I'm not bored of using this. This is my all-time favorite bronzer which I use to contour my face. This is from Benefit. The shade is Hula. And I've taken too much product and I've made my nose so brown. Wait, we're gonna take care of this. And this is what I am doing. I've just taken a beauty sponge and dabbing it on my nose. Look, it's all done. So don't panic if you make a mistake while doing makeup. There's always their hacks, their tricks to correct your makeup. It looks fine now. Let's go on to contouring the cheek area. Now, where do you apply the contour? You apply it right below the bone. So basically you're creating a shadow below your cheekbone, so your cheekbones uplift a little bit. And also this step makes your face look a little more thinner and sharper if done correctly. So now see this. Can you see a shadow that's being created? In case you guys want to see a proper video of contouring and highlighting, I've done it, but I can make another video. You can send in your requests through comments below. The blusher that I'm using is again from L'Oreal Paris. The shade is called Sunset Glow. Now a little bit of highlighter, just using a little bit because my face is actually glowing because of the oil, the skin prep that I did earlier. Now let's go on to the lipstick. So I'm using this lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. Again, bought this from Amazon. The link is in the description box below. The shade is 26 Better Bombay. Ooh, it is a stunning color. I love the shade and it's very creamy. The application was very easy. Guys, I also have these two gloss which I recently bought. Now this is from Perenne. Okay, I had heard so much about this brand. It came in a beautiful box like this and look how cute these two are. And I'm thinking I will just mix a little bit of gloss now with this lipstick. Let's try this one first. This is Pucker Up Peach. Now this is a peachy shade. The other shade is this pink shade. I'm gonna swatch this and show you how it looks. Wow, beautiful. So guys, this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep showing your love and support. Also guys, all the products that I bought from Amazon, the link is in the description box below. So yes, once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.